Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix File Explorer not loading or showing files without restarting in Windows 11, 10. Right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Type Windows Explorer. Right-click Windows Explorer, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.